It's been way longer than it should have, but look what finally came. Z Flip5. And you know what I gotta go and put against, right? You know I got basically every other Galaxy that came out before, so I got the original Z Flip and I got the Z Flip5 over here. We gotta see what's up with this. On top of that, I got my Razr that came today too, which I ain't unboxed yet, but I'm gonna go in the box before this video. All right, y'all, so we back here getting at the legendary unboxing table. I don't think y'all understand, man. The hype is really there, because not only did I just unbox the Razr, now I got the Flip5, and they both came in the mail today. Come on, bro, that's like being a youngin' on Christmas morning, except for me, I just paid for everything. So, like, that's just being an adult. Anyway, this is just some of the highlights of being an adult, that you got the Z Flip5 over here I can go ahead and play with. So as you can see here, I did get it in that green, light green color or whatever it is. I forgot what it's called. Actually, you know what? Let's go to the Samsung app. Let's go and check this out real quick. So Z Flip5, I ordered this color and I ordered it at 512 gigs and Samsung took their sweet little time with this. I literally just got in the mail today, like I said. I ordered it probably like damn near 2 weeks ago or something like that. Or probably 2 weeks ago now at this point, because it came over a weekend. Because today's Monday. But anyway, let's go and check this out. We got 512 gigs. So I paid $1,119.99. And as you can see here, this is the color I got. So I got it in mint. Actually, no, I didn't even pay that much. So I actually went ahead and clicked on the education offers. And the thing about that is you don't even have to verify that you got a student email or nothing like that. Now I do have a Samsung account under my University of Wisconsin Parkside or Kenosha email, but at the same time, like, all you gotta do is just click on this. You don't even need to be a student, bro. Look at that. Welcome to Samsung Education Offer Program store. And you could just go ahead and save money just like that, 10%. That's crazy to me, but I think Apple does the same thing. I'm pretty sure my homie told me. Anyway, let's just go ahead and go and get into this box, man. So we got the Samsung box over here. We got like the whole Galaxy Z Flip over here. And we got this bespoke type design over here. To keep it a buck with y'all, I feel like Samsung it's just pretty plain to me. I feel like they should have did more with this, but I guess it is what it is. Anyway, we got Z Flip5 over here. We got the whole Galaxy Z Flip5 over here, as you can see. On the left side, we got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. On the right side, we got Samsung. On the back, we just got some info we don't care about. And at the top and bottom, we only got nothing. But Samsung finally started using pull tabs on all their phones now. I noticed for 2023. So that's cool. So all we gotta do is just peel this off, and it made me a little bit sad. I ain't gonna front also that I can't use my unboxing knife, because that's the thing about YouTubers, that we love our unboxing knives. But all right, let's go ahead and bust into this other one. So y'all know I already don't got no fingernails, but I'm working on it. I didn't even think I was gonna get up this morning, because I'm coming from Milwaukee last night, which is about a 40-minute drive, and like, yeah, it popped off last night. I'm gonna just say, literally popped off. Like I was a block away, and there's literally like 10 gunshots in the next street over. But like, yeah, that's Milwaukee for you, boy, I tell you. Anyway, that ain't got nothing to do with this. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. And oh snap, hold up a second, it's still stuck on the box. What's good with this, Samsung? Hold up, we gotta rip this off real quick. All right, cool. So okay, that was weird. So we got the Z Flip5 over here. Let's go ahead. I learned my lesson from last time. I actually ripped this, so we actually peel it from here. Or actually, no, we don't peel it from here. We peel it from here. So we got to go ahead and pull it from the top. So here we go. Let's peel that off right there. And then here we go. Galaxy Z Flip5. Let's go and peel that off too. And snap, look at that, boy. We got the Z Flip5 in the building. So this is Z Flip5 over here. What did I just do with my Z Flip4? I just had it. All right, so this gonna be our Galaxy Z Flip4. So if I go and get this up out of here real quick, I think like this color right here is just a matte finish. Like they changed it up with their colors. So we got matte right here, and then we got all glossy right here, which honestly, I ain't gonna front. I prefer glossy on here over matte. But look at that right there. Look at all that screen we got versus just this right here. That is crazy. But yeah, like I said, as you can see here, we got matte over here versus glossy. And I'm pretty sure if you got a different color Flip5, then you would get matte. And I'm pretty sure it's the same story for the Flip4. If you got a different color, you get glossy. But look at that, bro. I'm telling y'all, this looks crazy. Now let me go and grab my Razr real quick. I know it ain't even turned on yet, but let me go and grab this real quick. Look at this compared to the Razr. That is something else. And then lastly, I gotta do it to y'all. Check this out real quick. The original Z Flip versus the Z Flip5. I'm gonna do a dedicated video on this, but look at those screens, bro. That is a crazy comparison. Literally all this besides like around here is the screen. So what we're looking at right here is this is the screen versus all of this. Again, I'll do a separate video, but that's wild. Look at where Samsung came from. Now I do wish Samsung would bring this color back, because man, this color is busting. Still to this day, I love this color. Now let's go and put this up real quick. And I was complaining about this. Like, this is one of the benefits you get with getting a Galaxy Z Flip5, right? quick. So with the Motorola, I could barely find any accessories for it. Spigen don't make nothing, like Caseology, none of these companies make anything for it. But I could easily find a screen protector for my Flip 5 for the cover display, and that's definitely what I need. And I feel like I needed more for the Razr because we got more screen over there. But you got way more accessories with the Flip 5 just because of Samsung, because you know Samsung got all this market share. But again, let's go and put this up real quick and we'll go ahead and unbox it while it's turning on. So let's go and hold on to this power button, and then let's go ahead and see. We got Samsung Galaxy we should have here in a minute. Let's give it a minute. We got the same vibration motor as the Flip 4. But let's go and check out the size real quick. So let's go ahead and see. We got a volume rack over here, and then we got a power button / fingerprint scanner on the right side. At the top, we got a microphone. On the left side, we actually got a antenna band, so I'm pretty sure that's for the 5G. And then we got our SIM card tool. At the bottom, we got a microphone, another microphone. We got a USB-C port, and then we got a speaker. On the inside, you can see here that we got a hole punch, and then we got a speaker here at the top. So we do got stereo speakers on here. At the back, we got our 2 cameras. So we got wide, ultra wide. We got the flash. We got the actual screen right here, and then we just got the back here at the bottom part. So let's go and check out the one thing that Samsung probably threw in the box over here. So let's go and check that out real quick. So if we go and bust this open real quick, let's see what we got. So we got our user manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side as always, and then we got a Type-C to Type-C cable. And then of course, I don't know where it's at in here. Okay, so we do got a SIM card tool. That's literally it. So for over $1,000, you get a charger, you get a user manual, and then you got a SIM card removal tool, which even this is generous for Samsung nowadays, bro. I'm surprised they didn't get rid of this yet. So it looked like this thing did just turn on. So let's go ahead and set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all.
This is a Chucky beat.
Build that hype. The Z Flip5 all set up, y'all. Woo, boy, look at that right there. Man, that look clean. Now, the first thing we gotta do, y'all already know this. Yes, sir, let's go. Look at that outside screen right there. Boy, look at that, man. Oh, that's big, boy. Oh, that's what she said. Oh, man, the hype is definitely there for sure, y'all. I love this. It's so much bigger. How many times I'm gonna say that? And all these innuendos. This looks crazy, y'all. So I know I didn't have the same reaction as the Razr, but like, this is just because I'm coming from the Z Flip4. This is what Samsung should have did the first time, but why is Samsung giving me Washington for all their new phones now? This is like Apple or Cupertino. Don't nobody give a fuck what the weather is in Cupertino or Washington. But anyway, yeah, I know everybody in Cupertino and Washington gonna be coming for me. But look at all that screen right there, boy. And hold up. Let me grab the original Flip over here, right? Check out the difference with the screens over here. That is crazy. Let's go and pull up the camera real quick. You could get the full effect. And hold up, wait, how do I do this? Hold up. All right, let's go and try it again. Double click, and let's go and see if the camera pops up. How do I do this, man? I thought it was gonna work after I cleared that notification, but I guess it's not working. Let me go and try it one more time. So double click, I'm pretty sure that's how it works. And okay, there we go. So it did work. Now look at that for the full effect. Wait, hold up a second. Let me go and get back to the weather. For the full effect, woo, boy, look at that. Look at that right there. Damn, that's crazy. Samsung really switched it up with their phones for real. Like this looks so much better. Now let's go and compare this next to the Razr because it's still not as good as a Razr, but let's go ahead and unlock this real quick. So we go over here to the weather and then let's go and close this out real quick. But as you can see here, just look at the differences right here. So it's definitely better on the Razr, I feel like, because you just get more screen over here. Let me go and make this brighter too so you can go and get more of an effect. Yeah, I feel like I'm just feeling the Razr better. Like I wish Samsung would have did it like this, but at the same time, like this is still like a way better upgrade for my Z Flip4. So let's go and grab the Z Flip4. Where did I just put that bitch again, bro? How do I keep losing it? Oh, here it is. So we got Z Flip5 on the left, we got Z Flip4 on the right. So the Z Flip4 is like, it's an okay screen size, but it ain't nothing like this. Once you actually see this and you actually use it, like I saw this in the Verizon store, but it ain't the same as like when I have it now. So just look at this right here. So we got the Z Flip over here. Let's go and pull up YouTube too. So I actually got YouTube through Good Lock. So we got Cover Launcher. Let's go and unlock this real quick. Which by the way, we can actually go ahead and put apps on this thing. I don't really know how to, but we'll figure it out later. But yeah, look at that difference right there just with the Z Flip4. The Z Flip4 screen just looks like tiny in comparison to the Z Flip5. I love it, man. Like I love it for sure. Samsung did they shit with this. But unfortunately, I gotta go and cut it here, y'all. So stay tuned for more videos because I got more stuff to do. And then as you can see here, I did get this screen protector here, like I said, from Spigen. So if you want to go and get this, links down below. And if you want to go and get the Z Flip5, links also down below at Best Buy. So it's an affiliate link. And also Samsung. So if you use my Samsung Amazon link, you can use the education discount offer, and you can use my code to get to 5% off, I think. I'm not sponsored by Samsung or anything. It's literally just an affiliate link. So go and check that out for me. Appreciate y'all. But like I said, I'm going to cut it here, y'all. So appreciate the love and support as always, man. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, where Instagram and Twitter is the most active. It's just crazy to see Samsung's journey with where they came from with flip phones. So we got the Z Flip over here, the original. We got the Z Flip5G over here with the matte design. We got the Z Flip3, and I actually got another one upstairs in my room in green. And then we got the Z Flip4, like I just showed y'all over here off camera. If I go and zoom out real quick, you should be able to see it. Z Flip4, and then we got the Z Flip5 now. Z Flip5 is gonna be a beast for sure, bro. But I'm gonna go and get up out of here. So y'all be smooth, man. I'm gonna see you on the next one.